Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to freeze one of your videos using the InShot app and how to take photos out from your videos. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how I make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open your InShot video project, and after that you will have to choose the video section that you want to freeze. If you have only one video in the edit, you just have to tap on your timeline, but if you have more sections, you will have to tap and hold, and this way it will open up the gallery where you can see all your different video sections. And then just tap on the one that you want to freeze, which one you want to take out a picture. And then you have to swipe to the right, and actually the last one is the freeze icon. And when you tap on it, it's going to freeze that section, and you will have a 3-second picture inside the project, which you can make it longer or shorter. It's very easy to change the length of it. In your video, you just have to swipe with this from the bottom, from the end or the beginning. As you can see, you can set it even to just 0.1 second, or you can place it for an hour as well. It's very easy to do, and you can also move around your new photo in the video, this video section. As you can see, if you hold, you can move it to other place in your project, and you can apply edits. You can change the background, you can flip it, you can rotate it. All the other video options that you have for videos are available for this photo as well. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.